Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset network settings on your Android. So if you have problem with your network, you cannot connect into the internet, and you have a Wi-Fi problem, you can try to reset by go to the settings. Then you can tap on additional settings. Again, you can tap on backup and reset. Next, you can tap on data erasure or erase all data. Here, reset network settings. Reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings by one tap, and then you can verify your identity and follow the instruction. You can reset your network setting now. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.